Hello guys, welcome back. Today we got another unboxing for you guys. This is a cooling fan. Okay guys, so how this works is you twist off the cap in here, you place water inside here, do not overfill it. So this one's pretty basic. There doesn't seem to be anything complicated. Some are very complicated. So it just looks to be your basic cooler. Nice carrying strap right on here. So this is how it looks up close. Basically, to go over this quickly, you put water in here, it pulls in air from here, it blows it out the front, and it's supposed to be cooler than just a regular fan. And in here is where water trickles down, and then you empty this by pulling this little piece out. I've seen people hook up little lines to this and then run, have it automatically drain. You guys can do whatever you want. You can adjust the fan, or not the fan blade, but you can adjust these little, basically air vents. So you can have it venting up or down, lower. You have a light on here. You have two modes, it looks like. You have 8, 6, 4, and 2 hour modes. You have fan speed modes as well. So let's go ahead and put some water in and test it out. It is Type-C powered. Alright guys, a couple things. You can use this with a power bank. So it is just a USB cable. So it can plug into any USB port, computer, laptop. Obviously you don't want to put this too close to a computer or laptop, but the Type-C cable is long enough so you can keep it pretty far away from any electronic components. You can take this on the go with you because it is USB power cable, so you can use a solar power bank and you can have it camping wherever you want to go. Let's go ahead and turn this on. So yeah, it's definitely cooler than your average fan. The light we're gonna have to see at dark. It doesn't look to be that bright in the daytime, so at nighttime it would probably look pretty cool. You have two different options here. You can have it, so what it does is it sprays water and it cools the air. And you got two options. You have this one option where it sprays just a light mist. The next option, it really sprays a lot of water, but a lot of mist, I should say. You don't actually feel the water because it evaporates in the air. But that's definitely cool. That is definitely cooler than a typical fan. Alright guys, so this is the light. It's not the most brightest light in the world. It's just kind of I would say a faded color. I think the LEDs could definitely be brighter, but it's still nice. It's still nice, it's just not as bright as it could have been. But the overall unit works great. It does got lights on it, so that is a plus. It could just be without a light. Overall, compared to the other ones, it works about the same, maybe a little better than the past ones I've reviewed.